Hey guys, it's George from Florida Parks After Dark. Hey, just want to let you know we're here. It is Sunday and we got another Falcon 9 launch with 23 Starlink satellites are burning up. And that launch will be going in
11 seconds.
10.
9,
We'll listen.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition.
We got ignition.
And lift off. Go, Falcon.
It's just started lifting at the Cape. So it won't be long till we start. You'll be able to see it. Keep your eyes out. Now there's a cloud bank out there,
Vehicles pitching downrange.
so we'll see.
M1
There it is.
Phenomenal.
Zoom in for you guys. It's a mag zoom. So that's the rocket. And that Cape is about 50 to 60 miles away from us. And that's how bright that light is.
Nominal power and telemetry.
What you're hearing is actually SpaceX at the Cape.
Falcon is supersonic.
We're hitting the cloud bank now.
Max Q. Infection has started.
Just wondering, guys, if it's gonna pop out through the clouds or not. Oh, it's a line in the sky now. Down in the bottom left-hand corner, you'll see that little line. That's it. There should be a separation coming up.
Stage separation confirmed.
You're separating now?
And back ignition.
And it looks like, guys, the clouds have caused our problems with us again. And that's okay. And I mentioned in the last vlog, and I'll mention again, I'm actually going to be out on the Cape more often. And when I'm going to be able to get a video much closer. But listen, guys, it's George from Florida Parks After Dark. Thank you so much. You guys take care, like, and subscribe. You have a great night.